Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Windows File Explorer. To begin, you can easily open File Explorer in a couple of ways. The quickest method is to click the folder icon located on your taskbar, usually near the Start button. Alternatively, a handy keyboard shortcut is to press the Windows key and the letter E at the same time. This will instantly launch the application, giving you access to all your digital documents and media. Once File Explorer is open, navigating your files is straightforward. On the left side, you'll see a navigation pane listing your drives and frequently accessed folders like documents and downloads. Clicking any of these will display their contents in the larger right-hand pane. You can also use the address bar at the top to see your current path or quickly jump to a specific location by typing it in. Managing your files is simple with File Explorer. To copy a file, right-click it and choose Copy. Then, navigate to your desired destination, right-click an empty space and select Paste. If you want to move a file instead of copying, simply drag and drop it from its current location to a new folder. To remove an item, select it and press the Delete key on your keyboard. It will go to the recycle bin. Finding what you need and keeping things tidy is easy. Use the search bar in the top right corner to quickly locate files by name or content. You can also organize your view by sorting files by name, date, type, or size using the View tab. To maintain order, create new folders by right-clicking in an empty space, selecting New, and then Folder. This helps keep your digital workspace efficient and clutter-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.